Good morning, this is Robin from Roaming with Rover. I've got a couple unboxings for you this morning. The first one is from Sipsby, which is an online tea subscription. I'm really excited about this one. I love teas, and I've seen some people that have gotten this, and they've gotten some really interesting and different teas. I had a coupon code when I ordered this, but it was several weeks ago, so I know the coupon code doesn't work anymore. I had several interactions with their customer service trying to get their coupon code to work. It was less than satisfying. They were quite pleasant, but less than helpful. So it took probably 2 weeks of back and forth to actually get this subscription ordered. I ordered a 3-month subscription, and the subscriptions are, it's $16 a month, and for the tea, and I think you get a little bit, like maybe $1 off with the 3-month subscription. So I think it was $45 for the 3-month subscription, and then I had my coupon, which dropped it down to $30 for the 3-month subscription, and that does include free shipping. It comes out of Austin, Texas. I was surprised that it took so long to get here. I ordered this thing in the middle of January, and I see that they have sent me the February box, so that's why it took so long to get here, but I don't know why they didn't send me a January box. Whatever, I guess it doesn't matter. So we have February teas. Now when you register for a subscription, you fill out a little form about what you like and don't like. There's, I don't know, 8 or 10 questions. It wasn't hard. It was interesting to think about the different kinds of teas. It was like, do you like floral teas? Do you like sweet teas? Do you need caffeine free? Do you need organic? Stuff like that. So I filled mine out. You can go to the website. It's just Sipsby, SIPSBY.com, and you just fill out the little form. You can give gift subscriptions or send gifts. Another thing I thought was odd, they've got some really cute little teapots and coffee cups and things like that, and I wanted to add one of those to my order, and I wasn't allowed to do that either. I had to do a separate order to get one of the cute little teacups separate from ordering my subscription. I found that to be a little clunky, and I didn't like that. Now I've got some water sitting over here steeping, so I'm just going to grab the first thing out of here, get it in the water, get it going, and then we'll talk about the rest of the packet, the rest of the box. So the first thing is from Republic of Tea. I really like their teas. I've had a lot of their teas. This is green tea, ginger peach green tea. So let's get this opened up and get it into, it's one of those round, that smells good. I can smell the ginger, and I can really smell the peach in there. So let's get that seeping and read about our different teas. Okay, so I'll set that aside. So like I said, ginger, peach, green tea, just a tea bag there, and it looks like there's 4 of those, the one I just used in these 3, and those are lovely. I like that tea a lot. Let's see what it says about it. Now, I do note right off, it says green tea, and I know in my profile I said I do not care for green tea. Ginger peach green tea, 1 bag per 8 ounce of water. Steep 1 to 3 minutes at 175 degrees. Chinese green tea, natural peach flavor, low caffeine, and then it describes the tea a little bit. Let's see what else we got in here. Here's some more tea bags. Tulsi Breakfast, organic India tea. Tulsi Breakfast. I've never heard of these guys. Organic India tea, stress release and awakening, contains caffeine. I'm good with that. Should have grabbed that one for this morning. Let's see here. Tulsi Breakfast, organic India tea, steep at 208 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes, medium caffeine. Didn't it say high caffeine on that? Nope, just says contains caffeine. Okay. Revered as the queen of herbs. Oh, it's got basil in it. Supports stress, mood, and immune system and detoxification. Natural energy boost. Well, I'm probably going to need that. So we got 4 of those. So far we got 8 tea bags. Okay, and now we've got some loose tea on here. Organic immunity tea. It's a pretty package. Boy, that's a nice tea. A lot of times loose tea is real powdery. It's real fine. This is nice and chunky. Let's see what it says about that. Organic immunity. Immunity, isn't that cute? Steep 5 to 10 minutes at 212 degrees. Organic green mate. I also told them I absolutely do not want any mate. Apple pieces, cacao bean. It's really hard to read the writing on this. It's very faint. Honey bush roasted mate, cinnamon pieces, cacao pieces, and stevia. Well, maybe the apple and the cinnamon will cover up the horrible green mate. I hate that kind of tea. I really, really hate it. It smells like dirt, tastes like dirt to me. I know a lot of people swear by it. I can't stand it. So, bad customer service, took forever to get here, and 2 of my 4 teas were on the list of teas I don't care for. Not going well so far. Oh, and I cannot get back in. I have tried to go in and like check and see where my order is. I can't get back into the site. So I have sent a message to customer service yet again, telling them I can't get into my site. We'll give it a try though. And then the last one is cookie tea. Oh, that's so cute. It's got little hearts on it for February. Sugar cookie sweetheart. About this cookie tea, it's caffeine-free herbal tea, steeped with love. Vanilla sugar cookie Rubio's tea blend includes sweet pink heart sprinkles. Oh! Rubio's tea base adds a touch of natural warmth to comforting notes of vanilla and cocoa butter for a cup that is reminiscent of fresh baked treats. Lazy weekend mornings and handwritten notes. White cocoa butter, splits, honey bush, sugar hearts, cat's foot, natural flavor. Cat's foot, lovely. Cookietea.com. Well, they've got their own little company. So if we like this one, maybe we can get it. All right. And in every box, you get this cute little bag. It's a muslin bag, and it is full of disposable tea bags, which you use for the loose tea. These are wonderful. This is kind of what convinced me to try this, was these little tea bags. So you fill your loose tea up in there, close it up, and then steep it in here. And in theory, you just throw this whole thing away when you're done, but a lot of people empty it out and then put more of the loose tea in it. So it came with, it looks like maybe 8 of these. I don't want to take them out and count them. 5, 6, or 8 of them. Anyway, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. I'm real excited about that. So let's try the tea. Let's see if it's cool enough for me to drink. I put it in a big cup so it would have the ability to cool off. Oh, it smells wonderful. It's completely clear though. Maybe it wasn't hot enough. Oh, that's good. The peach, you could really taste the peach in there. I can't taste the ginger a whole lot. Round, environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag, free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. Maybe my water wasn't quite hot enough. Ingredients: green tea, natural peach flavor, and ginger. I love green tea. I'm sorry, I love peach tea. It is one of my favorites. That's gonna be good. I'm gonna like that one. So with my discount, this came to about $10. This is probably worth $10. This is absolutely worth $10 with 2 packages of the loose tea. And I don't know how many servings you're gonna get another. I'm guessing, since they gave us 4 tea bags, that each of these is 4 servings. That would be my guess. So there's 16 servings of tea, and then these nifty little seeping bags. That's pretty cool. It's definitely worth $10. I'm not sure if the hassle with the company is worth it. But try and contact them again and tell them they're sending me stuff I don't like that I put on my form that I did not want. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so when I went to pick up my mailbox, I had something delivered to me at my Roaming with Rover POBox address, which I put in the bottom of every one of my videos, so it's perfectly fine that it's out there, but I have never ordered anything using that address. I've never given it to anybody to use as my mailing address. So it threw me for a loop a little bit when I got something in the mail that was addressed to Roaming with Rover. So I opened it up because I was a little scared. It's shaky. I was a little scared. I opened it up and it's a smallish box. You can see, smallish box. No clue what it was. Bubble wrap. And there's a card in there. And it says Raw Rev. No idea, still. $10 off your next order of $40 more, coupon code. And there's a little sticker. Raw Rev. So then I get down to the inside of this thing, and look what is in here. It is full of protein bars. And there appears to be, it's a mixed 8. There's 8 of these protein bars in here. I love protein bars. I use protein bars all the time. These have, depending on which flavor you have picked up, I thought there might be 4 flavors since there was 8 bars. Peanut butter, dark chocolate, no. There's a couple of them are doubled up. Okay. So we have these 3 flavors. Let's see if I can do this. Can you see them? We have those 3 flavors, and you see each one has a different amount of protein. 11, 15, 12. Raw Rev Glow. And we're going to try one of these. Let's go with the creamy peanut butter and sea salt. It has 15 proteins, 14 fibers, 2 sugars, gluten-free, non-GMO, and I don't see, oh, here it is. Let's dig under the label. 180 calories. Total carbs 17. Fiber 14, so that makes it 3 net carbs for those of you that are doing that. And let's see what this thing is like. I will try to contact the company and see if I can get us a coupon code for this. Maybe we can get a coupon for a little discount in the future. Well, we've got that one. Ooh, it smells good. See it? Looks like a peanut butter bar. It's not bad. It's not amazing. It's not bad. It's very, actually the more I eat it, the better it tastes. It's very peanut buttery. It's almost like taking a spoonful of peanut butter. It is that peanut buttery. The first little bit was very salty, but that is good. I would definitely eat that. So I went onto their website, and they had several different options. I don't know, maybe a dozen, not huge, not a huge amount. Several different options, and they had a mixed box, and it was $16, but it was sold out. They had several other items. A lot of their items were sold out, so I have a feeling this is a smallish company that is just getting going. But I'm contacting their customer service to see what the dealio is about me getting this thing, and if they'll give us some kind of a coupon code, I'll throw it in there. But if not, we've got this coupon code right here, 10 off. So $10 off your order of $40 more. That's a pretty decent code. So yeah, give them a try. Go in there and look at their product and see what you think. I'm surprised. I like it. Doesn't have that weird aftertaste that a lot of protein bars have, that kind of chalky taste to it. It's a little thick feeling. It doesn't have the feel of like the cookie protein bars, but it wasn't hard either. A lot of them I find are too hard, too chewy. So this is very interesting. It might be a good after workout fixer-upper. I use protein bars as meal replacements, so, but obviously not a lot, as you can see. So that's it. That's my 2 cool unboxings for today. I've got some more neat stuff coming up. I'm gonna be dropping several smaller videos this week because I've got a lot of little things like this. We will talk to you guys later. Stay safe. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about either of these. Have you guys ever used this Raw Rev before, or the Sipsby? Have you guys gotten the Sipsby subscription? I'm really disappointed. I wanted this to be more fun. Well, I got somebody here, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.